Yeah, we're way too close to his nose.
It's my first day out in shorts and a t-shirt. I feel pretty good. It's pretty warm out. We're at the Kodiak Farmers Market here. Got me some donuts. Here, show the camera the stickers.
Well, show off Jason's.
I will.
There's.
And we got some Kodiak stickers here. Some of them are pretty cool. Some of them you wouldn't get because it's a Kodiak thing, but I'll explain that later. What's up, guys? I got Jason Humphreys here. He made my Chris Luck photo glasses when he got his laser engraving kit, and I was thankful for that. But as you can see, it's some really cool stuff. So this is Jason here.
How's it going? So I just brought some of my extra stock here to the Kodiak Farmers Market down at the Baptist Mission. I got some perpetual calendars. These things are pretty cool. They're just little sliding rings in there. So those are kind of neat. And then these custom signs, I just did them as welcome signs, just for examples. But people can order with their last name on them or their boat name on the boat ones. Sold a couple of those. Got some garden towers, which are pretty neat. Lettuce towers. Grow your lettuce and your herbs and flowers up off the ground and take advantage of space. And just enjoying the day. It's gorgeous out here.
So how'd you get into it?
I always wanted to do the laser thing, and COVID kind of shut me down last season for my business, and so I thought good opportunity to get to work and try something new, and did a lot of research.
Oh, nice.
So it just made sense. It was good timing, so I kind of just jumped into it. So
Yeah.
here we are.
Yeah, so Jason really impressed me with this stuff this year. Pretty cool. Do you have a website?
I don't, not yet, just on Facebook, Lightworks Kodiak.
Okay, I'll link it in the description.
Cool.
It's a big fan. Man, I really love Jason's white photo so much. I actually bought it. I'm pretty happy about it. He did really good. And I also got my favorite ice cream sandwiches here. So we're gonna go back home. We got some house chores to do. And we're going on a hike in a little bit. See you then. So Shane and his fam, and me and Angelica came out for a holiday beach for Caleb's Explore the Rock. Except we got there and we're like, oh no, it says holiday, no hike. Well, there's a holiday hike. So the issue is, it says this. Shane, it says stop. What are you doing? It says no trespassing. So it says no trespassing and everything, but oh well, it is what it is. I think we'll be fine. Shane is an officer of the law. Breaking the law. We're breaking the law. We're breaking the law.
The only way Julian can raise money is breaking the law, Randy. Breaking it. The law, Randy. Breaking the law.
Actually hoping that they do come and say we have to leave and they'll have to give us a ride out, because that would be nice. Nice little, I don't know how long this is, but it'll be long enough probably. Yeah, so this is Holiday Beach, which is really just for Coast Guard people, which wasn't even a hike. It was like literally like a 3-minute walk. It's so weird because it says no camping next 5 miles, where I don't know where you're gonna find 5 miles at, but apparently some people do. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's really not that special. Me and Shane found some Milky Way and some Northern Light compositions that we like to probably go for next year, but that's about it. You got it. Just make sure your foot's in a good spot.
Okay, Caleb, you might have to move. Oh my god.
Okay, I don't.
Okay.
See, you did it. You were.
Oh, you fell?
Oh my. Quite windy out. Epic view behind me, you can see. We're gonna go this way here, and get some Arctic tern photos. They come around here around this time of year, and apparently they are aggressive and attack you. So I'm not prepared to be attacked, but I will. So if you see these white birds behind me, they're Arctic terns. They come here for a month or two in around June, end of May. So they're really, really pretty. They kind of resemble a seagull. They're a little tinier, but they have this cool little tail. And not only do they have the cool tail, they have these really, really cool voices, and they sound pretty cool. So it's hard to hear them with the wind, but I'll leave the video running and maybe we'll get some cool noises off of it. We'll see. Dude, oh my God.
Yeah, we're way too close to his nose.
All right, we are home now. There is a potential for a really, really nice sunset. The clouds are looking pretty good. The Arctic terns were super, super fun to photograph today. It's crazy. They're a little aggressive. I was like, what? But no, seriously, I had a good day. And unless there's not a good sunset, this will be the end of the day. But I'm pretty sure I might go out in like an hour. So tomorrow we will be hiking Termination Point. It's a really pretty hike. I never actually did the full loop. I think we're doing that tomorrow. Super windy out, and you are a little zoomed in because I'm hiking with one lens on my camera and one lens in my bag. We are doing Termination Point, and it's very windy out, but you're gonna have to deal with the 24mm today. Usually it's me on my 15mm, which shows off my wide body a little bit better. So this is my 24. This is my Canon R5 4K, and I lost the sunlight on my face there. But overall, let's see how this hike goes. Hopefully I feel pretty lightweight and maneuverable. We are literally about 10 seconds into the trail, and Angelica has already taken a pee break. And I think by the time we get another 20 seconds in, it'll be her second one. Made it out to the beaver pond here. It's my first time being here, and I've actually never seen a beaver before. How about that? And oh, I don't see one now. Okay. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, I just put my foot here, you think?
It's like a one foot step.
It fell. Oh, I did it! Oh my God, I did it. I did it. Whew. Okay, we finally made it to Termination Point. It was about 2 hours, Caleb? Yeah. Hour and a half, or? Hour and a half. We'll say an hour and a half. It took us 10 minutes to get here, guys. Really windy though. Hi, I'm Tim Cantore with the Weather Channel. Today we've got 41-mile-an-hour winds. This is almost as good as Passaccia Point. I'm just gonna get some B-roll because it's way too windy. Holy hell, Shane has scared me. My hat just took off. I think I got that on the vlog.
Did it fall off?
Yeah. Well, if you notice down there, my hat's gone, and now it's gone. So you got to see my lovely hair. Angelica's happy that it was my Talkeeton hat. She said it was ugly, but that was my first Alaskan hat, man. It's gone. It's gone.
And it's gone.
Really pretty right here. We're at this little beach and we're like, wait a second, we're at sea level and we're not even halfway back yet, which means more lovely steep parts to climb. Not looking forward to that, but man, it's gorgeous. It's really pretty here actually. So I'll be okay with it. I'll be alright. We got a man down here. Actually, this is pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at right now. This feels good. Caleb stopped to get his geocache, so just taking a break. My shoulder is killing me. I've been carrying my camera on my right side of my chest, but my left side is the one that's, my left shoulder is hurting pretty good. So this feels good to get my bag off, stop a little bit. Everyone's hungry and all I want is a bag of vegetables right now. I really am not hungry at all. That's a good sign, I guess. That's at a pretty good angle. Not a good day if you forgot your hat. Well, I didn't forget it. It's sitting on a rock somewhere. But it is a good day for some walking / hiking and these beautiful mountains. You really show off the greenness. Just flew my drone. Really pretty out. Now, it's not the best photography day because there's no clouds, but it's a beautiful day to enjoy Kodiak. So we're gonna keep heading down. We're almost there. All right, we are finally at sea level and done the hike. Basically, just a couple more steps to the parking lot here, but overall, a really good day. My shoulder is hurting just a little bit from carrying weight, but it's gotten better. So I'm hoping a couple more of these hikes, it'll strengthen it up a little bit, and some massaging and whatnot. But oh, someone's barbecue smells pretty good. Kind of jealous right now. So I'm excited to see how I like this 24mm vlog, because it's hard to get everything in there. I feel like I'm just a talking head, but I feel like it should be good because I like the 24-70 better for photography than 15-30. So that's just me, and we are done the hike here. So we'll see what else the day brings. All right, so we just got home and we're gonna go on another walk. We're gonna take Sniper because we didn't take him on the hike. So we're gonna take Snipey. We're gonna take him. Let's go. Let's go. He was a big guy. I'm not bringing the camera because we're bringing Sheriff and he's so tiny, so probably end up having to carry him at some point. We are off. I totally forgot I could use my iPhone. I don't think the audio will be the best because I don't have my microphone with me right now, but look, this is Sheriff's first ever walk. He's 8 weeks now. And this is Sniper's first ever walk. Just kidding about that. First walk with Sheriff, yeah.